Well, the spring is upon us, and before we know it, we'll be into summer. And some of the hardest work that we do, my favourite job actually, is watering. Keeping all the plants properly hydrated is the name of the game. First of all, of course, anything that grows in the borders themselves, they've got a ready supply of moisture in and around the garden. But anything in pots and containers, well, that's a different matter, because you're effectively curating and looking after that soil mass whilst it's in a container. And hanging baskets are a cracking example of this. The thing about hanging baskets, if they're hanging up outside the house, sometimes when you water, it isn't that easy to completely hydrate it. And if they've dried out, sometimes you get a dry husk on the surface of the hanging basket and the water just lands and just rolls straight off. The secret is to get hold of a decent tray, something that can harvest the water as you're watering it. So you unhook the hanging basket, put it into the tray, and then give it a right good watering. So you know it's properly hydrated, and you're better off doing that than lots of small watering up at the top. Because sometimes if you're just watering at the top, the water stays in the top level and you don't get decent root growth down, because the roots obviously are going down for moisture. So if you properly hydrate them, you get even balanced root growth all the way around the outside. And then of course you can take it and hang it back up. There's loads of hints and tips there that you can use to make the job of watering not only easier, but much more effective.